2016 Honda Civic. So this happens to still have the original condenser on it. As you can see right here, it is a can. Let's zoom in on it. Come on. And the old iPhone 13 doesn't want to work. There we go. A Keithan, or however you pronounce that. So that's the original condenser. Problematic. So this is the one that's under the extended warranty. Again, Honda got off because they didn't have to replace it because the customer never knew that their refrigerant was low. So I just started pulling out the refrigerant, and 425, this will probably be about 100 grams, maybe 180 grams low. Let's see, I'm into -4 right now, and it's about 58 degrees outside. -6. I got 270, and I'm still in the recovery mode. I haven't cleaned out the condenser and purged the unit, so I'll probably come to 350. This is not really bad. It's not really low. I think I'm just going to come a little low on this one. So this one from a 2016 to now, it's just going to be a little short. This is one of the ones that's not bad at how much refrigerant it has lost. I wonder if this was replaced under warranty already. And let's see how many miles, because taking a look at this condenser, you don't see too many rock chips and hits in it that I'm used to seeing. So let's see what the mileage is. Oh, I can't turn it on because it's all disconnected inside. Okay, I won't be able to see what the mileage is. I'm trying to determine if this was a low loss system. And what do we got? We got a clutch on there. We got a variable displacement compressor. And we do have a clutch on the system. And there is the valve right